Hello guys, welcome back to Get Your Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix uh, Windows DLL file error on Windows 11 and how you can completely fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is I'll be providing a link in the description like this which will take you to this. Now from here you just have to click over here on this one. So you just have to download the respective file. So this method is all about on around 3 steps that you have to try out. So it consisting of 3 steps. So you just have to download the respective file and you just have to click on show in folder. So this is where it's get downloaded. So now once it's successfully downloaded from the link, you just have to copy this one. You just have to right click and you just have to copy this. Now what you have to do is just have to go to this PC and you just have to open local disk C. From here you just have to click on Windows and from here you just have to navigate to System 32 and now what you have to do is just have to paste this. So you just have to paste this file. So once it's successfully pasted, as you can see that we have successfully pasted this, now you just have to minimize this. So next solution is all about you just have to go to over here on the search and you have to search for task manager and you have to click on run as administrator and you have to go for it. Now you just have to open this. Okay. Now from here what you have to do is you just have to click over here on the file. Okay, then go for run new task. Now you just have to browse for a file. So you just have to go to local disk C and from here you just have to open this and go to Windows. From here you just have to click on System 32. Now from here you just have to navigate to the CMD over here. You just have to navigate to CMD. It will be available on System 32. So keep scrolling a little bit. Now guys, we found CMD. Just right click on this and go for open. Now it is available over here. Now you just have to right click and go for OK. So this will give you a CMD command prompt like this. So now here we have to give few commands. The first one is xxx.dsk. So I'll be giving all these commands in the description so you don't have to worry. C, then you just have to space F space R and you just have to press enter. Now once it is been successfully done, you just have to go for the next command. So next command is sfc space / scan now. You just have to press enter. So now once you have given this is going to take a little bit time. So in the meantime we have to open one more command. So I'll be closing this. Now I'll go over here and I'll go for once again on the file and click on run new task and it is already there. So I just have to right click and another command is open over here. As you can see that we have successfully opened 2 commands right now, so don't get confused. So in one command the process is being taking place, so this system scan is successfully done, and the parallel command you have to give a command like this. So you just have to be very carefully when you're writing this. So I'll be giving this in the description so you don't have to worry. So see, this is the command Windows / system 32 / my missing D file .d. So once it is successfully done, you just have to close all these things, and what you have to do is most probably the issue will be completely fixed. Now you just have to close this and do a restart and try to open, and most probably this will be completely fixed. Regarding the command, you don't have to worry. I'll be providing in the link in the description. So that's all about when it comes to how to fix Windows 11 DLL file is missing and how to fix this up.